Hi, in our video this time, we want to talk about glass powder from Dr.Chemist. Glass powder can be used to remove watermark, minor scratches, oil stain and stubborn dirt on the glass surface. It can be used on all glass surfaces and mirrors such as front windscreen, rear windscreen, side windows and side mirror. Let's see how to prepare it. Step 1. Pour some glass powder into the bottle cap. Step 2. Pour some water into the bottle cap. Step 3. Mix the mixture of glass powder and water slowly. Next, let's see how to use glass powder. Step 1. Wash the glass surface until clean. Step 2. Take the 3M Microfine sponge given. Make sure to use the surface that do not have 3M Microfine print. Step 3. Apply glass powder mixture on the glass surface using the sponge. Step 4. Scrub the mixture until watermark is gone on the glass surface. Step 5. Wash the glass surface until the glass powder is gone. Use hand or sponge if the glass powder stuck on the surface. Lastly, let's see how to store glass powder after use. Step 1. Wash the glass powder bottle cap. Use until clean. Step 2. Close the glass powder with both bottle cap. Step 3. Wash 3M Microfine sponge until clean for future use. Step 4. Store glass powder and 3M Microfine sponge at suitable place. And that's all you need to do. It's easy, right?